Angela, and I'm an applications engineer here at Hanna Instruments. Today I'm going to introduce you to one of our checker series handheld colorimeters. Hanna produces over 25 different checkers that are all useful in a variety of applications, such as water testing, aquaculture, and plating. At about the same price as a chemical test kit, these colorimeters are an accurate and affordable way to measure an unknown concentration in a water sample. Each checker tests for a single parameter. Today, I'm going to be using the HI771 chlorine checker. When you receive your product, you want to make sure everything is present and accounted for. Your HI771 checker includes a carrying case, your checker, instruction manual and reference guide, one AAA battery, 2 sample cuvettes with caps, 6 powder packets of reagent 771A-0, along with 6 powder packets of reagent 771B-0. If you are missing anything from your kit or something is damaged, you'll want to contact our customer service department. Otherwise, go ahead and install the battery and get ready to take a sample. Taking a measurement is fast and easy. In just a few simple steps, we'll have our result. First, turn the checker on by pressing the button. After all of the segments are displayed, Add C1 will appear with press blinking. Next, fill a cuvette with 10 milliliters of unreacted sample and replace the cap. Make sure the cuvette is dry and void of any fingerprints by wiping it down with our HI77118 lint-free cloth, sold separately. Place the cuvette into the checker. Be sure to align the break in the cuvette's 10 milliliter line approximately with the hinge of the checker and close the cover. This indexing is important to ensure a constant distance for the internal light to travel. Press the button and wait for Add C2 to appear with press blinking. Remove the cuvette, open it, and add the contents of 1 packet each of the HI771A-0 and HI771B-0. Replace the cap and gently invert for 20 seconds. Lightly tap the cuvette to remove any air bubbles that may interfere with the reading. Wipe and index the cuvette back into the checker and close the cover. Press and hold the button until the timer is displayed on the LCD. The instrument will directly display the concentration of chlorine in parts per million, or ppm. And that's how you measure chlorine using the HI771 chlorine checker. It's important to note to discard your sample after taking your measurement. You don't want to stain your cuvette. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any